Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x by 2 is equals to square root 7x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm doing squaring both sides. So x by 2 whole square is equals to under root 7x whole square. So it becomes x squared by 4 is equals to, with the help of this square root eliminates 7x. So x square is equals to 7x times 4. So x square is equals to 28x. So x square by x is equals to 28. According to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So here is power 1. So x power 2 minus 1 is equals to 28. So x is equals to 28. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.